Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am really excited to share these items with you, but I need to warn you now. They're going to be very limited. And if you don't see them on the website, that means they're already gone. I need you to really grab them quick. Are you ready? Get set. First, the good news is there's two items that should be on our website usually almost all the time. And that is these I took on HSN about 10 years ago. Just kidding. Like, it wasn't that long ago, but it was a long time. You might have missed them. This is Mr. and Mrs. Claus. And look how cute it is. Merry Christmas, season's greetings. Be merry, a little present. Ho, ho, ho. Believe 'tis the season to be jolly. And ding, ding, ding. Yes, there are dies that match. Those are now available on our website. So if you missed them the first time they were on HSN, now is your chance to get them. Now, these are the items, and there's so many, you guys. I'm really worried you're going to miss out. So I need you to really go get them quick. Number one is the Halloween Vibes Collection paper pad. And when I just start giggling when I see this pad, because it is all about the attitude on this one. Let's look at it. And first off, you get to see that fun, spooky, not spooky skeleton. Look how cute he is. I love him. Then this paper, and I hope you can see it on camera, it is webs on black, which is nice. Then we have stars. Then we have bats with spiders and crows. Here we have more skeletons. Here we have some more webs. Look at this one. You guys, look at how awesome that one is. Isn't that fun? I love that. Now, the good news is you can get this quick. If you don't get it in time for Halloween, guess what? That's okay, because you can use it next year. We are not going to reprint this pad, so you need to get it now so you'll have it for next year. Then you're going to use your grand nesting dies to die cut those. Isn't that awesome? We're going to go through. You're going to get 2 sheets of each one, and isn't that nice? Now, just keep in mind, listen, whoops, this is 1 sheet. That's how thick it is, okay? Love it, right? That is now available on the website. We also are releasing some of the extras from that kit. So I have the Merlot Ribbon. I have the Merlot Felt Flowers. I have the Merlot Diamonds. Look how gorgeous those are. And I have the Merlot Velvet Bows. Run, do not walk. We also had some extra of the stickers. So now is your chance to grab them. The nice thing though, my loves, is all of this is anytime, right? You're going to be using this color all the time. You don't have to worry about it just being Halloween. Now, Ken found another box in the warehouse. I'm so excited about this. He found a few more slate items. He found some cute little slate bows and some slate epoxy dots. Run, do not walk. Get them now, thank me later, because once they're gone, they're going to be gone and you're going to be really, really sad. And I'm going to be sad for you because, gosh, these are amazing. Go check them out, stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.